Today on Enso Homestead, we're replacing the seal on the RV toilet. The first thing we do is make sure to turn the water pump off. Then we drain the lines. Then we take the plastic piece off the pedal. Next, we remove the plastic base. Next, we gotta take off this collar. Now we can remove the bowl off the pedestal. Now we just have to put the seals on. For those of you that want to move off grid and live out in the woods building a custom home, this is what it takes. Alright, now we just have to put everything back together. Alright, now is the moment of truth. Turn the water back on. Alright, the toilet's back in working order. Now we just need to sanitize everything.